Breaking news coming in on Aam Aadmi Party at the moment. Its Political Affairs Committee is expected to meet today at around 6 p.m. and in the meeting, cancellation of primary membership of Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan over anti-party activities will be taken up. Pooja Shali is tracking all the developments on this story. She's joining us on the phone line now. Pooja, what's happening in the Aam Aadmi Party? Why are Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan still in the party despite conducting all these activities which are labelled as anti-party?
Well, just because of that, now there's going to be a PAC at around 6 to 7 p.m. today. And the PAC is going to discuss the cancellation of primary membership. And I can tell you, most likely, Yadav and Bhushan will be served a notice. Their primary membership most likely will either be expelled directly or they would be asked as to why should they even hold on to the primary membership of the party despite holding such other meetings, and now also announcing that there will be a new non-political group that will be formed. So definitely I can tell you that the AAP is not going to take it kindly. Also, meanwhile, Yadav is already very defiant. He's going ahead with another of his meetings in the morning, and then could also do a press conference in the evening if all gets confirmed to him that he could be expelled. It's not going to be definitely very, in fact, nice now for the party to really keep it that open. The party has decided to take stringent action. Also, interestingly, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal continues to remain silent. He's decided not to make any remarks. He claims that he wants to focus on government, and that is why today this war in AAP is only going to get more ugly, with Aam Aadmi Party willing to take action against them, which means expel them from the party altogether, and then simultaneously they forming a new group. Back to you.
Pooja, there were also reports that a lot of regular Aam Aadmi Party volunteers were also a part of that meeting that Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan conducted yesterday. Are we expecting more names to roll here from the Aam Aadmi Party, more rebels really coming in and joining Yogendra Yadav camp?
Well, it's a very interesting question, because as of now, all the prominent faces that the Aam Aadmi Party could know were Yadav, Bhushan, Professor Anand Kumar, Shanti Bhushan and other leaders as well, but including their own MLA, including the MP Dharamveer Gandhi, sending across a message, a quote. So therefore, while all these famous members, the Bhushans, Anand Kumar, could be expelled directly, what about the volunteers? They could be the same volunteers who are going back to the party and working for the party as well, and also for the rebel group. And it will be very difficult for the party to really figure out who are these volunteers who could be with the rebel group. And this is what the party will today discuss, because it is not only about the members, but also rebel volunteers.